Hi everyone, I'm Sinead O'Donovan, founder of SRC Health. Join me for a quick tour of our journey to becoming your trusted source of medical compression wear. In 2008, inspired by my own pregnancy experiences, I founded SRC Health to address the need for specialised garments for women during pregnancy and postpartum. We're more than just a brand, we're your support for life. Collaborating closely with healthcare professionals and educators, our patented and clinically supported garments are designed to truly make a difference. SRC Health goes beyond compression wear, aiming to enhance women's experiences. Join us on this journey and let's eliminate discomfort together. Our fabrics are meticulously milled to our precise standards, undergoing independent testing before manufacturing. 3 layers, including an outer shell and 2 of the open-hole mesh lining, maintain compression during motion. Experience effective pain relief with our grade 1 level of compression, supporting muscles day and night and stimulating a proprioceptive feedback loop even while you're sleeping. Experience a new era of support and relief with SRC Restore, your reliable ally in the fight against the dual challenges of incontinence and prolapse. Alarmingly, 70% of individuals grappling with urinary leakage forego seeking assistance, and half of women aged between 45 to 59 encounter varying degrees of urinary incontinence. In addition, approximately 60% of women diagnosed with pelvic organ prolapse also contend with urinary incontinence, while nearly 40% of women facing urinary incontinence concurrently experience some degree of pelvic organ prolapse. This garment, with its triple-layer gusset panel, is equipped to deliver consistent compression to the entire perineal area, aiding in alleviating symptoms of stress urinary incontinence, bladder and uterine prolapse. So how does it do that, I hear you say? Well, continuous compression to the perineum creates a potential proprioceptive feedback loop to the pelvic floor muscles. The activation positively impacts pelvic muscle strength, contributing to improved support for bladder and uterine function. When coupled with a women's health physical therapy program, wearing this garment accelerates symptom improvement. The double-layer front panel and back panel offer targeted abdominal and back support.